Hey guys, so today I'm all dolled up because we will be attending my niece's wedding. One of the things that I actually missed when I was still a flight attendant. So most of the time I missed special occasions, holidays, and stuff like that. And now I am very happy and thrilled that I can finally be with my family and friends. And here, Mackie is playing with my dress because apparently I think it's her first time to see us dressing up like this. By the way, for those who are new to this channel,
What are you
I'd
doing?
just like to introduce myself. My name is Pia. I was a flight attendant for over 10 years with Qatar, and now I'm back home with my husband because we are planning to, start a new life here in the Philippines, and hopefully we will not be going back abroad again to work and earn money. So now we are on our way to the wedding of my niece. So it has been almost 1 year now since I last put a makeup like this. By the way, I just would like to let you know that my niece was also a flight attendant before. She used to work with Qatar for just 2 years and she got redundant. But I think it was a blessing in disguise because she found the love of her life. And then right after the wedding ceremony, we went straight away to deliver some eggs. Yes, though we are attending a special occasion, we still have to deliver what we promised to our customers. So rain or shine, we have to do it. So right now, we are on our way to Amlan, which is just about 5 to 7 kilometers away from the church. We were actually supposed to deliver the eggs before the wedding, but then we run short of our time because I actually didn't expect that my mom would also want me to do her makeup. So this is the situation now in our province. There are a lot of roadworks because election is coming next year, and in a third world country like this, these things happen every now and then. And I'd like you to see our mountains. They're so beautiful, right? And also, by the way, guys, I would like to just apologize for my background noise. I know you will hear a lot of roosters as well as vehicles passing, but I hope you guys don't mind it. And now we finally have reached the place where we will be delivering the eggs. Look at my backside, by the way. Those are the eggs that we will be delivering. And now my husband is doing all the works because he doesn't want me to help him. He doesn't actually want me to lift any heavy things. So now he's just delivering it, and shortly he's gonna take the payment. I would like to just honor my husband because he is really very hands-on to our small business, and I'm glad I met a partner as hardworking as him. So now it's already past 6 o'clock and we are on our way to the reception. It is quite a long drive for us because the reception is to be held somewhere in the west side of our hometown. And since there are a lot of roadworks going on, we have to go for some other diversion. And right now we are already entering the reception place of the wedding. So during our wedding, which is about almost 5 years ago now, this place hasn't been established, and now we finally have this very nice venue for all occasions. This is actually my second time to be in this place because the first time we were here it was a concert, and now I'd like you to appreciate the view here. And when we arrived, the newlyweds had their photo shoot while the guests were having their cocktail party. And of course, we don't want to miss it as well. So though we are late, we actually had the opportunity to enjoy the cocktail party as well.
We're at the whip area for our bride group. I don't know about you, I counted 2 already in the span of 10 seconds. So we'll be counting how many times you guys make them kiss.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys. Welcome to my guys.
Subscribe to my channel.
Don't forget.
So I just taught my niece and my sister on how to hold a wine glass. So it has to be like this. So what are you having, Stacy?
Having Caesar salad.
Caesar salad. So you want to be healthy at
No,
this
I just
moment,
like salad.
but you want to put some lechon.
Yes, and the rice.
Why are you making uli-uli with that one?
Because it's making me mahay-mahay. Okay.
Can you put some for me?
Yeah, sure. Assorted lang.
Mamaya nag-rice tayo.
Okay.
Maybe can you put for me?
Ilang ka cups mo?
Bali, 20 1 cup. Ay, ramutayin siya. Tama na naman, ha? That's too much.
Ano mo, Dubai Kings ba? Look at my plate, guys. So full. There's salmon.
not always rainbows and butterflies. The most fun year na when we have a wedding, make sure overflowing with ideas. Because when everyone is having fun, ito ka ng vibes. Matag sa kanan, kasi nasa na, sa kapuang mga kasaw ni ang lingog. Kasi nag-wild cute. Pati mga organizer, upo.
Titiran yun. Chucky. Okay,